How do you save in Google Sheets? Well, it's very easy. You kind of don't save. That's probably the best explanation for it. Let me show you. So in Google Sheets, because you're working online and you're in a web browser, so you're using Google Chrome or Edge or something like that, it will automatically save. You're probably thinking, well, I need to go to File and choose Save, but there's no Save option. And that's because you don't need to. If I do Control S on my keyboard, which is another way of saving things, nothing happens as well. That's because it's always saving. And let me prove this to you. So I've got this document here and I've called it dummy data. So if I start a new Google Sheet, so I'm in Google at the moment, this is what my Google looks like. If I go to Google Apps, I'll scroll down and I choose Sheets. I have a document here called dummy data. I've also got lots of other documents as well. So every time you create a new document, I'll create a new one here. We'll do blank spreadsheet, just to prove to you. And I'll put some details in here. So I'll put a couple of names. I'll give it a name and I'll call it Alan's spreadsheet. Press enter. So we've created a document called Alan's spreadsheet and I've not saved it. I've not gone to file, save or anything like that. But if I were to once again just go to Sheets in Google, you'll see I've got a new document here and it's been saved and it's called Alan's spreadsheet. So the way to save a spreadsheet in Google Sheets is you don't save a spreadsheet. It just automatically does it for you. Anyway, hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.